Off to school, you may want to send them with an umbrella, especially if they walk or come home from school.
Ride the bus
walking,
maybe. Yeah. Paul, how's it looking out there right now? I know we didn't really have too much going on this morning around in the city.
Yeah, you know, very much so. You want to take the umbrella with you, but keep in mind, I think most of the rainfall today, at least during the daylight hours, is going to be on the light side, and it's not going to rain all day, but you definitely want the umbrella just in case. For today, yeah, it's cloudy skies, chance for some showers, flash flood watches in effect, but mainly for tonight. That's when I think we're going to have some heavy rainfall. Temperatures this morning way above average. It's humid, it's breezy out there, and high temperature around 87 degrees. All right, we've got a chance for some rainfall today, but again, the intensity will pick up tonight because Hurricane Pamela is going to weaken. The remnants of Pamela are going to move right towards south central Texas. We already have Gulf moisture in place, and then when you add this slug of Pacific moisture with the storm system approaching from the west as well, that's a recipe for some flash flooding. We'll talk more about that here in just a second. So right now, just really light. Here's ground clutter from the radar site. Just very light stuff out there right now. Hardly detectable, as a matter of fact, but we've got a little drizzle in there as well. So most of the rainfall this morning is going to be on the light side, and I think this afternoon for the most part as well. Flash flood watch is in effect all the way through tomorrow. And again, rainfall intensity is going to pick up. I think for the most part, 2 to 4 inches, generally speaking, but there are going to be some pockets of 5 to 7 inches. We're just going to have so much moisture in place that we'll see some real heavy rainfall amounts, and it's going to come in a quick amount of time. So flash flooding is a threat tonight and into tomorrow morning. All right, outside now, we've got cloudy skies, temperature 77, way above average, normal low 62. Look at the record, 38, set back in 1977. It's 77 outside, but it kind of feels a little cooler than that because of the breeze. We've got winds out of the southeast at about 15, gusting to 25. Temperatures around 80 at Floresville. Victoria 77. Cotulla is at 82. And yeah, so we've got winds south at about, let's say 10 to 15, but every once in a while we'll have some gusts over 25. All right, so here's what's going on. We've got this storm system here in the middle portions of the country. Hurricane Pamela is making landfall, and the trajectory is going to be such that that moisture is going to move right towards south central Texas. As this storm system moves through the plain states, it's going to drag a cold frontal boundary, and believe it or not, I think we'll be down close to 50 by Sunday morning for a low. Pamela now a 75-mile-per-hour hurricane moving to the northeast at 14, and I've got my computer model guidance, all of that moving right towards south central Texas, and that is not a good thing. All right, so here's the way I see it coming together. Cloudy skies, maybe a few glimpses of sun, not very much. High today at about 87, and then storms develop out towards the west, and these will be very heavy downpours. I'm talking real high rainfall rates, and then that'll move off to the east, and by tomorrow we'll be looking at some sunshine. How much rain are we talking about? This is just one computer model, but there are many that even have more than this. So I'd say generally 2 to 4 inches overnight with some isolated areas of 5 to 7. All right, here's the forecast for today. 87, mostly cloudy, 50% chance of some showers. And then for tomorrow, 88, sun comes out, but the morning is going to be the problem. And then it gets breezy on Friday behind a cold frontal boundary. Weekend highs only in the 70s, and I think we're down close to 50 for a low Sunday and Monday morning.